chart. It's very similar to a candlestick, both very visual. They look almost identical. However, what happens is, because of the way the heikin-ashi is calculated, it provides much more consistency in the colouring of the candles, and therefore for me it provides a clearer indication of a trend, or when that trend is turning. So each candle starts at the average of the open and close of the previous candle. Therefore it's not very good to use. You shouldn't use it if you was doing back testing, because it's not going to be accurate, because it's not using the pure raw data for the opens and closes, the highs and lows, etc., because it's always starting that candle in the middle, the average of where the previous candle had opened and closed. It does, however, remove a lot of the noise from the price action, and is good, in my opinion, for assisting on when to exit a position. You can start to see when the market turns much easier, I believe. Again, just my personal view. I'm going to show you an example of that now. Chart of the two is the candlestick, and the one below is the heikin-ashi. As you can see, they all look like candlesticks. They all look very similar, except the one at the bottom has much more consistency in its colouring. You see a lot more green candles going up, a lot more red candles coming down, without there being a few sort of alternating candles, if you like. If you was in a position, you start to see alternating, they're going red, they're going green, they keep swapping over, it's going to make you more uncertain on where that market's going, where it's going to end up. But with the heikin-ashi below, it has that much more consistency, and you can see generally if there's a few candles that are in the opposite colour, so they've gone from green to red as an example, then the market has generally gone in that direction. It's gone lower. And when we get those green candles consistently showing, it is of course showing you the market going higher. Again, you should practice with all of these types of charts to work out what ones you prefer. It's all about what you prefer. It's nothing to do with anything that I suggest or anyone else. Personally, all I'm trying to do is show you what's available and how it can be used. It's up to you to interpret that and find what works best for you, what's going to give you the most confidence in your trading and provide you with the best signals.